children, welcome back to IT class. Continuing with the chapter Python graphics. You have to write the program 5 times and study. Did you write and study the last program which we have learned? Drawing a square. Today we are going with a next figure. Okay. What is the first command we have to write? Again and again I am saying, from turtle import star. From turtle import star. From turtle import star. Then drawing a square for I in range inside the bracket 4 colon FD 100 RT 90. This much we have learned, isn't it? This much we have learned in the last class. Now we are going to draw a triangle, that is an equilateral triangle. Okay, regular. For drawing a triangle, what will be the command for I in range? How many sides the triangle have? 3 sides. Inside the range I will write 3, then a colon. The cursor will be standing here. The FD is 100. What about the RT? What about the RT? If it is turning 90, it will not draw a triangle. What you have to do to find the RT, that means the right turn, you have to divide 360 by 3. What will be the answer? The answer will be 120. Divide. Well, dividing, you will get 120. That means the RT is 120. The RT is 120. If we draw a triangle, you will say the degree is 60 degree, isn't it? You will say it is 60 degree. Then why did you write 120? But in computer, the computer is taking the external angle. What about the external angle here? If it is 60 degree here, what will be the angle here? It is a linear pair. How will you find out? 180 minus 60. That is 120 degree. The external angle is 120 degree. In computer, it is taking the external angle. Okay, is it clear? That's why we are writing 120 here. Is it clear to you? We will be taking the external angle. That is 120. Well, how will you find the RT? To find the RT, what you have to do? You have to divide 360 divided by number of sides. Write it at the side of, the right side of this. Draw a box and write to find the number of turns. Number of turns means the right turn or left turn, whatever you are turning. Number of turns equals 360 divided by number of sides. 360 divided by number of sides. We have drawn the triangle. Now how will you draw a pentagon? How will you draw a pentagon? What is the change I have to create as it is a pentagon? These are the 2 changes which are coming. Pentagon, how many sides? 5 sides. Pentagon, 5 sides. Then, how will you find out the number of turns? 360 divided by 5. 360 divided by 5. What is the answer? Find out the answer. The answer will be 72. Yes. The answer will be 72. What change? When the figure changes, what changes you have to bring? You have to find the number of sides, then divide that with 360. That is the change which is going to happen. As the the sides or the figure changes. Now, to draw a hexagon, if you are drawing a hexagon, how many sides? 6 sides. How will you find this? 360 divided by 6? 60. Is it clear? Yes. In today's practical class, we will be seeing and verifying the different figures. Okay, let's move on to the computer.
Welcome to practical section. Opening application programming ID LE. Now I am opening the file which we have done in the last class for drawing a square. Today we want to draw a triangle. To draw a triangle, what change we have to brought here? For I in range, what is the number of sides? 3. When I am changing the range here, what change should be brought in RT? 360 divided by 3. What is the answer? 120. Then I am going to run module. It is asking for saving. Click on OK. Yes, you can see the triangle. Now I am minimizing it. Pentagon. The side is 5 and the RT will be 72. Going to run it. Run module. Okay. See? You can see the pentagon. Okay. If we want a bigger one, I will give the FD as 200. Okay. The lines will be bigger. Then I am going to give 6. And the RT will be changed to 60. Going to run it. Run module. Okay. See? Yes. This is the way for drawing the figures. Okay, is it clear? Is it clear to you? Yes. What changes we have to make? Here in our range and RT. How to calculate RT? 360 divided by number of sides. Now I am going to make it as 8. If I am not changing the RT, what happens? See? Did I get the 8 sides? Count it. Did I get the 8 sides? Did I get the 8 sides? No. What I have to change? I have to change the RT. 360 divided by 8, that is 45. Making it as 45. Then I am going to run it. Run module. Now it is 8 sides. You get it? What changes we have to make? Inside the range and the RT. How to calculate RT? 360 divided by number of sides. This much for today's class. See you in the next class.